2025, the note-taking war just got personal. Obsidian or Anytype? Let's break it down fast. Obsidian is still the local-first, Markdown-powered vault built for power users. It's lightning fast, completely offline, and insanely customizable with hundreds of community plugins. If you love raw text control and linking ideas your own way, Obsidian gives you total ownership with zero cloud lock-in. On the other side, we've got Anytype, the newer, design-driven app that's catching up quickly. It's privacy-first and local, but with a modern interface that feels like Notion mixed with a personal knowledge graph. Instead of folders and files, you create objects and link them through relations, syncing through a peer-to-peer network without any central server. So, in short, Obsidian is all about power and plugins, while Anytype focuses on structure and design. In 2025, the real winner depends on you. Are you the coder or the curator?